Hi, hello, and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita, and today I'm talking about chickenpox, the reasons and care. Chickenpox is one of the haunting diseases for kids and parents. The discomfort level among children is an all-time high. Anyone who suffers from chickenpox needs an extended personal care and lot of precautions which are must to recover. So let's know more about it. What is chickenpox? It is highly contagious and very common disease in children. This results in skin rashes, itching, skin blisters, and loose scabs all over the body. It starts with common cold or a runny nose. What causes chickenpox? Chickenpox is also known as varicella, which is the name of a virus, varicella zoster virus, causing chickenpox. A person is most contagious and can spread virus easily within 2 to 5 days of diagnosis. Who are at the risk of chickenpox? Children under age of 2 years are at most risk to get it, or if the child hasn't been vaccinated, or one can even get it from other children. Symptoms of chickenpox. Initially, it starts with coughing, running nose, fatigue, irritability for 1 to 2 days. Later, skin rashes, liquid filled blisters all over the body. Eventually, it turns into scab, low appetite, fever, or muscle or joint pain. How to prevent chickenpox now? The chickenpox vaccine is the best way to prevent this disease to attack. Vaccination helps to mount a strong response against virus. Keeping the immune system strong is another aspect to keep it away. I have a detailed video on how to build immunity in babies and kids. Please consider watching it. The link is in the description box. Treatments for chickenpox. Treatment should be advised by the doctors and extra precautions should never be ignored. Children should never be given aspirin during that phase. Antibiotics recommended by a doctor for a severe case. Complete bed rest for the infected person or child. A cool bath with baking soda to relieve itching or skin rashes. Body lotion to reduce skin problem, again suggested by doctor. Sufficient water intake to avoid dehydration. Now, how does it spread? Chickenpox is highly contagious. I keep repeating this to ensure that you're careful about it. The virus can be easily spread through sneezing or coughing or touching the blisters. Even a single drop of saliva can bring the virus to another. So it's important that the child who has chickenpox should be secluded for 15 days to avoid transferring to others. Myths related to chickenpox in India. Chickenpox vaccine was not available until the 1990s, and it was and is still associated with Mata or Devi. There were no medications given to the person and is asked to be secluded for nearly 2 weeks. Bathing is a strict no, and this was also considered as a good fortune that somebody has got chickenpox in the family. It is considered to be good that Mata has come to the house. Though time has changed, there is quite a possibility that a few rural areas and even in few urban families it is still followed. So kindly stay away from certain myths. Bigger concerns of chickenpox for babies or kids. Chickenpox can be life-threatening to babies or kids with the lower immunity system. There are chances when infection can spread to lungs. Blisters can get infected with other bacteria, which can lead to a lifelong scar. Skincare during chickenpox. Keep infected baby or child cool. Avoid hot weather and sweating. Make them wear only cotton and loose clothes. Never allow them to scratch their skin. Give them a cool water bath. Never rub the skin but dab it. Apply calamine lotion or any skin lotion that is prescribed by your doctor. Food during chickenpox. What can be given and what not to be. Non-vegetarian food, wheat flour, byproducts of wheat like anything made with maida can increase heat in the body. So these need to be avoided. Similarly, avoid citrus fruit, reduce salt intake which can cause itching. Food with too much salt food may worsen dehydration, acidic juices as it can cause irritation and pain. So have less salted food. Junk food need to be avoided completely. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables to improve immunity. Give in fruit juices for babies and kids as much as possible. Drinks like herbal tea, cinnamon tea, chamomile, basil tea are mostly suggested for adults. Finally, few points to be noted. Self-medication can be highly dangerous to the patient, so please do consult doctor. A school-going or a daycare child should be made to sit at home for at least 2 weeks so that he or she doesn't infect others. An expected mom should be extra careful with chickenpox as there are high chances that baby develops some complications during that period. So please consult with the doctor. Chickenpox is not a seasonal disease like flu, but according to few studies, it mostly occurs in winter and spring between March to May. So this was a detailed video about chickenpox. If you find this video useful, please do consider checking our website. There are a lot of required knowledge when you are parenting, especially baby food recipes, kid food recipes you can find there. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. We'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.